In today's video, I am making an easy and delicious squid ink fried rice made with canned squid ink. This recipe is the perfect way to use leftover rice. The inspiration for this recipe comes from the traditional black rice or arroz negro made in Spain. Let's start by preparing our frying pan. Over medium heat, add 2 teaspoons of oil. Add the onions and saute for a few minutes or until they start to get translucent. Add sweet peppers, the garlic, and saute until soft. Add parsley. Season your veggies with a little salt. Add 2 cans of squid in their ink and mix all the ingredients and let the flavors integrate for about 3 minutes. Now add the rice and mix again. Once all the sauce has coated all the ingredients, you can turn off the heat. Garnish with more parsley and serve. And there you have it. This easy and quick squid ink fried rice, which is a perfect way to use leftover rice, plus is a budget-friendly meal. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep on sharing your love of food. Bye!